Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take a Batman.
Hey y'all, so it's me, Aya, coming at you guys today with a review that's being brought to you by IAMAHAIR.com. They were kind enough to send me out this cute little shorty Teyana Taylor inspired unit. This is a 100% human hair wig that I'll be showing you guys today. It's going to be by Motown Tress. It's the Human Hair Go Girl GGH-FLOY, and I have her in a 1B. Here's her stock card. As you guys can see, this is a cute, short, pixie style finger wave type of unit. Like I said before, this is a full cap wig, so there are no combs in it, just adjustable straps. She is going to be human hair, so you can curl her, dye her, do whatever you want to, or I don't plan on doing that. I just wanted something quick to throw on and go when I'm rushing out the house. And I think that this is going to be one of those units that's great for the summertime because it's not too long. It's, like I said, it's very short, naturally tapered. And the great thing about this unit, once again, it is 100% human hair, priced under $20. That's right, dolls. This unit is priced under $20. So, of course, you know, just make sure you check the description box down below. So, let me take my scarf off and show you because I already have her on. I was just trying to get her to mold down to my head like I like her. Now, as you saw on the stock card, she looks a lot fuller. And that's my only gripe about this unit, is that it does not mimic the density on the stock card. It has it's a nice natural density, but it's not as full like the stock card as I was hoping it was gonna be. But I can't complain for a human hair wig that's under $20. I mean, I really can't. But let me give you a little 360 of the unit. I did put a little bit of setting lotion on her just to help lay any flyaways down. As you guys can see, the back lays pretty nicely. It's pretty tapered. I do have a lot of hair under this unit, and this cap is not squeezing it or giving me a wig headache. Oh, here's the other side. It's not giving me a wig headache or anything like that. I did put a little bit of hair product in it just to help lay it flat, so it'll look a little bit more natural. And I love the way this unit lays. It's so cute. It's very versatile because it is, you know, human hair, so you can definitely, you know, mess up the waves in it, and definitely, you know, it'll mimic the mommy style type of unit. But I like this one a lot better. I had the mommy unit, wasn't a fan of it. I don't know what it was. I just wasn't a fan of it. But this unit does not shed. I'm not getting any tangling, of course. I do love the simplicity. And like I said, she is on trend right now because, as you guys can see, there's a lot of short pixie units coming out lately. And I'm loving this. This is definitely giving me Teyana Taylor vibes. So I think this is really, really cute. She definitely does not age me as I thought she might have. But I'm not, you know, she's not aging me at all. I'm loving the style. It's really, really nice styles. And like I said, it has a nice natural shine to it, so it's not, you know, overly shiny or anything like that. She's just really cute. You know, I can't really say too much more about this unit because it is a short hair unit, and you know, I don't want to keep you dolls too long. But yeah, let me know how you like Miss GGH-FLOY on me, and I will come at you dolls later. Thank you so much for watching.